And welcome to Crafting with Tammy. Today we are going to do an unboxing. I have received for Christmas from my husband, who so graciously blessed me with a new Brother PE800 embroidery machine. And so today I'm going to do the unboxing with you. So let's get started. It's this big box that's over here on the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of heavy. But this is how it came. So I'm going to just take the scissors and cut this box open. Let's see what we got here. Okay. First off, we have some instructions, the instruction manuals. Good stuff, good reading. Next, it comes with a cover. This is a Brother little cover. It's like a dust cover you put over the machine. Keep it from getting dusty. And it looks like we have some thread. This is called bobbin thread. 90 weight white bobbin thread. Okay. And the Brother PE800 comes with a 5x7 hoop. Is the largest size that they have for this. So this is the hoop, and then it also comes with a grid that helps you line up those projects that you do. So what you do is you put in your stabilizer, your material, and then this will help you to center, get it centered where you want your image to be. There's little holes, perforated holes in there where you can mark your material so you get the image centered. Okay, so we'll set that aside. We have our outlet cord. And then it comes with a little packet. Let's see what's inside this packet. Okay, we have some embroidery scissors. And these scissors, I don't know if you can see it, but these scissors come up. They're not straight and flat. They have a curve to the end. And that's to help you to cut your material. Cut around your material if you're doing like an applique, so that you don't cut the stitches. Okay, and it looks like we have some, these are shields that go over the thread. They have different ones, different sizes. Here we have a stitch remover that comes in handy in case you mess up, you need to remove some stitches. We have these little screwdrivers, and these, I do believe you can use them on the hoop, to tighten the hoop. Just a little cleaning brush, some empty bobbin, and they have some needles here. These are a size 11, 14. And then they have this. I guess you keep this over, you put this on top of your thread and it keeps it from coming unraveled. Nice little object to have. Okay, so we have about there's three of these empty bobbins here. I'll put all this stuff back so we don't lose it. That's a nice little package that comes, handy little package that comes with the machine. Okay, next we're gonna have to lift this piece of styrofoam out. And then first we have the machine. Let's take this plastic off of here. And let me see if I can hold on. This camera thing I have is trying to get into focus here, and I don't know what it's picking up over there, but I'm clearly not over there, and it keeps going there. So I may just wind up having to turn this, actually turning that off. Okay. So now let me see if I can zoom out just a little so that we can get a better view of the machine. Okay, so I am not knowing how to zoom out on this thing. You guys have to forgive me. I'm new to all this camera videotaping stuff. So what I'm gonna do is try to just turn the camera to the machine and just show you some of the different features that are on the machine. So bear with me, people. Okay, so here we have the machine, and you'll see these little pieces of blue tape that are on here. I believe you'll just want to go ahead and take those off. And there's another one over here. And then this is to protect the needle during transit. So we'll take that out. Take these little pieces of tape off. Okay. And so then up here is where we have instructions. This is where you wind your bobbin over here and everything. There's diagrams and pictures that shows you how to do everything. This is where your thread, you'll put your different threads on here, and then it'll show you how to go through and wind it. This is a self threading machine. So now let's take off the little handle part. And this is the handle. Where you hook on the hoops. So we'll just go ahead and take that out. And there's some tape on here, and we'll just go ahead and remove those two pieces of tape. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna actually hook it together before I remove the tape. And so it fits in here. It's self-explanatory. Now I tell you that, and then watch, it won't go in here. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. But I believe this goes on here. I believe that's how it goes. Yes, there's a piece right here where it should slide in. Why is this one to not do right by me? There we go. I don't want to force it. Okay. Perhaps I need to get the instructions out. I thought it was simple. I've seen so many other people, and they got theirs do it. And it seemed really simple. Let's try it one more time here. I don't know why that piece was not going down there. Give it a little oomph. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta stand up. Okay, so I took the plastic off of those. And that's that. So I don't know if you guys, if I showed you the other side, but let me just show you that right quick. On this side of the machine, we have a USB port, and that is so that you can upload, if you purchase designs, there's several different companies out there that you can purchase embroidery designs from. You're able to download the file that's specific to your machine. I believe this brother, PE800, takes PES files, and you're able to upload them and use them on the machine. But that is the unboxing, you guys. I'll come back with another video where we actually go ahead and thread it and plug it up and everything and try it out for you. So I just want to thank you for watching. Next video, I'll go ahead and thread it and crank it up, and we'll go ahead and start working on our tensions and our designs, and we'll go ahead and try to make something. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.